Hi, my name is Na, Chemical Engineering and Seongyun University. My topic is fabrication of indium gallium zinc oxide TFT using self-aligned imprint lithography. I will give my presentation introduction, patient and trend, my research, and conclusion. Demand for OLED display in the market is increasing, and research on flexible display such as rollable and foldable is increasing. In order to adjust the supply and process cost to meet the demand, a roll-through process that can print a large amount of display using a roll is suggested as an alternative. Using the roll-to-roll process, the backplane can be conducted as imprint lithography, OLED as evaporator, and encapsulation as ALD with the following process. I conducted an imprint lithography study to use the TFT roll-to-roll process. The following are international pattern trends for imprint lithography. As you can see in the table, the United States has the highest qualitative level among the countries surveyed with a citation index of 11.6. On the other hand, Korea is the lowest at 0.6, so efforts to improve quality and accurate patterns are needed. Roll-to-roll was found to have many patents in Korea. Although the difficulty level of process was too high, research such as this patent has been actively conducted again recently. Continuous research is expected to contribute to reducing process cost. It is a Korean pattern similar to the most important part of my research. This is a study of nanoimprint molds, which are important weekly because they can have the most significant impact on imprinting. Let me briefly explain my research. Self-aligned imprint lithography, which does not use the representative patterning method called photolithography, does not require individual alignment. So the gate insulator, semiconductor, and source drain configured on the TFT are fully deposited. After that, apply resin, which acts as an etch mask, and imprint and harden using stamp. Accordingly, 3 dimension is formed due to heist, and etch is performed using dry etch and etch selectivity. The table you see is etch data. Also, the picture shown below is an image of etch sequence. As a result, transfer curve and output curve were obtained, and mobility and monopoly ratio were obtained better than the photolithography process used as a reference. Finally, the conclusion. The roll-to-roll process is one of the essential studies as the market grows for display. Imprint lithography research is essential to make backplane in roll-to-roll process. Looking at recent patents, research on imprint lithography is insufficient compared to the United States, but Korea is also conducting research in accordance with a changing era. If you look at my research, I made a single TFT as a period study to reach the roll-through process, and I also combined the TFT driving. These studies are expected to contribute lowering the unit price of the display process. Thank you for listening.